In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot with Microsoft Power BI in 2025 using a step-by-step approach. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the skills to integrate these powerful platforms, enabling seamless data analysis and insights. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, look for the settings icon, which is typically represented by a gear symbol located in the main navigation bar. Click on it to open the settings menu. After accessing the settings, take a look at the left-hand side menu. Here you'll see a range of options. What you're looking for is the Integrations tab, and from there, select Connected Apps. This is where you'll manage any existing integrations and set up new ones. Inside the Connected Apps section, you'll find a prompt to visit the App Marketplace. Go ahead and click on this option. The App Marketplace is where HubSpot offers various integrations with other software and tools. Once you're in the Marketplace, you'll see a search bar. Type in Power BI and press Enter. This will filter the app results to show the Microsoft Power BI integration option. After locating it, simply click on the Microsoft Power BI integration to proceed. Next, you'll need to link your HubSpot and Power BI accounts. Click the Connect App button to initiate this process. At this point, you may be prompted to sign into your Microsoft account if you're not already logged in. Make sure you authorize HubSpot to access your Power BI account, as this is a critical step to allow data sharing between the two services. Now that your accounts are connected, it's time to select which HubSpot data you want to make available in Power BI. You have a variety of options here, including contacts, deals, and activities. Think about what data is most beneficial for your analysis purposes and select accordingly. After choosing the data you wish to integrate, all that remains is to finalize the setup. Click on the Finish Setup button to complete the process. There you have it. You've successfully connected HubSpot with Microsoft Power BI. This integration allows you to harness the extensive data management and visualization tools that Power BI offers, leveraging the rich data from HubSpot. With this connection established, you can create powerful dashboards and reports that provide valuable insights, helping you make informed business decisions. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and are inspired to explore the full potential of this integration. If you enjoyed the video or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content. Until next time, happy analyzing.